Hello YouTube, welcome to another video tutorial. In this one I'll be teaching you guys how to activate your eSIM both on Android and iPhone. Okay, so let's jump into the video tutorial. If you are new to the channel, kindly hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. Alright, so first thing you need is to get your eSIM. You can purchase your eSIM from any trusted vendor you know, and you can also message me for your eSIM. I have a very suitable carrier for whichever eSIM it is you need. Okay, so just message me. So as you already know, with your eSIM you can actually make international calls to the USA and Canada. You can also send text messages from your phone, international text messages. So that's what you can do with your eSIM. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, so if you're outside the US and you're using iPhone, you need to turn on airplane mode. For Android, you just keep the normal network, no airplane mode. Okay, so secondly, you must be connected to a Wi-Fi network, okay, outside the US, and also enable VPN. Finally, make sure your phone supports eSIM. Okay, so for iPhone, you go to your settings, go to cellular, then click on add eSIM, scan the QR code for the eSIM you bought. If outside the USA and no way to share USA internet via router, use a VPN with USA IP, and always keep Wi-Fi calling turned on in your number settings. Okay, so take note of all this. These are the requirements for the iPhone installation. Okay, make no mistakes. Alright, so for Android, you go to your settings, go to network and internet, go to mobile network, add carrier. Now you scan the QR code of the eSIM. If outside the USA and no router with USA internet, use a VPN with a USA IP, and always keep Wi-Fi calling turned on in your number settings. Okay, so having confirmed all that, you scan the QR code with your phone, wait until the eSIM activation screen appears. Okay, so once you scan the QR code, you wait for the activation to appear. So wait until the eSIM is fully activated before continuing. Do not cancel the process. Canceling may cause you to lose your number, as the QR code is usually provided only once and cannot be reused. Okay, so take note, you need to wait for the activation to be complete before you proceed. Okay, so now you go to cellular and tap your number. If you see activating instead of the number, tap it anyway. Open the number settings and make sure Wi-Fi calling is enabled. Okay, so if everything is done correctly, you'll first receive an SMS confirming your activation. Then in the upper left corner of the screen, your carrier name will appear. Okay, so that's basically the installation process. Now, installation on Android is the same. Just follow the instructions above and make sure Wi-Fi calling is enabled. Without it, the number will not work. So in conclusion, you are now ready to use your eSIM. Please remember, Wi-Fi calling must remain enabled for calls and SMS to work properly, especially if you're outside of the USA. Okay, so ensure your Wi-Fi calling is always enabled for you to be able to use the eSIM properly, as once it's activated, it can only be used once. Alright guys, that concludes this video tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, kindly hit the subscribe button and hit your notification bell so you do not miss my next video update, guys. Bye for now. I'll see you in the next one.